Yeah, it's your boy H Show, man. Harry Optimistic or Mr. Opulence, 610 Soldier, C Muff Man Brasco, 856 Jersey Boys Moet, was jumping though. Woke up with something on my mind. I'm just gonna give y'all a little something. Part of a scruffy look though. I cleaned up nice though. What's up though? I'm back with the strap kid, running towards the action, firing off with the hand, just like Mega Man. The burner is my best man, married with no wedding band, switchblade in the left fam, packed in the caravan, will ride with my fucking man and die for my fucking fam. Don't get it misconstrued, yeah, I ride too. You dudes must be wacky tied, that means high fool. H stays grounded like a kid that was bad in school. Cheap. Something light, man. It's just light stuff, man. I wake up with stuff on my mind, I'm just gonna start laying it every time. Man, shout to Shakur, man, 215, uptown, front to the backside, man. Shout to Gibbs, shout to the boss, man. Shout to Mizzo, you already, man. Merc out, shout to my bro, you know, Big Talk, 215, uptown ambassador, man. Shout to all the bros, man. Shout to Corrupt, shout to A1, yeah, man. Shout to Young Burner, my bro, doing this thing, man. Universal Gang, man. Trippy Flow Gang, man. Watch for that. Yeah, man. Whoever else I missed, partner, but oh, shout out to my bro E Class, man. What's cracking, cuz? Yeah, man. Yeah, get with your boy. Shout to my bro Daddy Rock, LA. You know. Shout to my bro Mr. Jack Williams, Palm Beach thing. Yeah, man. Get in tune, man. This thing finna take off, man. Yeah, these are just previews, man. I'm just giving y'all previews. Like, things is coming. Shout out to my bro Pharaoh. You already know. Team Smith, shout to them. Man, shout to everybody that's rocking with your boy. Shout to everybody showing love, man. Shout to my bro Meek, aka Shane. Young Shane. We here, man. I ain't going nowhere, man. Check the YouTube too, man. Cheer.